some of the things that you can do with columns? Well, one of the things you can do is move them. So if you felt that quantity needed to be before unit price, I'd simply drag quantity and drop it in front of unit price, and then simply drag it back again. So that's how you move a column. As far as sorting columns, if I want to sort these products perhaps by price, one way is to hit the drop down on unit price and just say that you want to sort them in ascending order or you want to sort them in descending order. Another option you've got while we're in here is you can also filter. We have the ability to tick and untick those things we do and don't want to see, but we could also go to number filters and say, look, give me everything that's greater than a certain price or less than a certain price or even between. So you really have the ability to effectively sort, maybe from cheapest to most expensive, and a little arrow appears, or vice versa, descending order. So the most expensive product is at the top. And also have the ability to filter out certain products. Just waiting for that sort to complete. So I hit this drop down, choose number filters, choose between, and I need all the products between, say, $10 and $50, and I'll OK. And so that filters out immediately those particular products between $10 and $50. And simply to clear the filter, I'll hit the drop down and I'll simply clear the filter. Which actually removed that query step, and if I want to remove the sorting that I performed, I'll simply hit the X and that'll turn off the sorting. If I want to remove the reordering of columns, I'll simply click that X and that removes that option as well. So you can easily test things and then remove those steps. As far as moving a column, by the way, besides just dragging it to the right and the left, which I truly believe is the easiest way to do it, you do have a move button that's on your transform tab. And so if you do have to move it to the beginning of a collection of columns or the end of a collection of columns, it may actually be quicker to actually use that option there. You'll also find that on the Home tab, there's also sorting capabilities like A to Z and Z to A. So there are a variety of buttons you can use, but sometimes it's just as quick to drag it.